Why rejection hurts so much? Your brain is acting like it's survival. Have you ever sent a message and seen it left on read? No reply, no reaction, just silence, and somehow it feels heavier than it should. Not just uncomfortable, almost painful. But here's the strange question. Why does something non-physical feel like it hurts? There's no injury, no danger, no real threat, and yet your brain reacts as if something important is at risk. To understand this, we have to go far back in time, long before phones, messages, or social media existed. Your brain was not designed for modern life. It was shaped in a world where survival depended on one thing above all: belonging to a group. For early humans, life outside the group was extremely dangerous. Being accepted meant protection from predators, shared food and resources, help during injury or illness, increased chances of survival. But being rejected from the group meant something very different: isolation, vulnerability, and in many cases, death. So over thousands of generations, the human brain developed a powerful system, a warning system for social rejection. Not just as a feeling, but as a survival signal. Modern neuroscience has discovered something fascinating. When you experience social rejection, being ignored, excluded, or dismissed, your brain activates regions that overlap with physical pain processing. In simple terms, social pain and physical pain share similar neural pathways. That means your brain does not fully separate. I got physically hurt, I got emotionally rejected. To your nervous system, both can feel equally important. This is why. A delayed reply can feel stressful. Being left out can feel intense. Silent treatment can feel overwhelming. Your brain is not overreacting. It is following an ancient survival script. Now imagine this ancient brain living in today's world, a world of social media likes and comments, read receipts, group chats, algorithmic visibility, digital silence. Here's the problem. Your brain still treats social signals as life or death indicators. But now those signals come from a seen message without reply, a post with low engagement, being excluded from a group chat, not being mentioned online. There is no real physical danger. But the brain doesn't fully understand that, so it reacts anyway. It activates the same ancient systems designed for survival in tribal environments. This creates a mismatch, prehistoric instincts operating in a digital world. In the past, belonging was simple. You were either inside the group or outside it. The signals were clear and immediate. But today, belonging is often filtered through systems we don't control. Algorithms decide visibility. Platforms control attention. Social feedback is delayed or unclear. This creates a new kind of uncertainty. Your brain constantly asks, am I included? Am I ignored? Do I still belong here? And because uncertainty is hard for the brain to tolerate, it often interprets ambiguity as threat. So even small social signals can feel amplified. So when rejection stings, it's not weakness, it's biology. It's the echo of an ancient survival system saying, stay connected, stay included, stay safe. But in modern life, that system gets triggered far more often than it should. Because today, a delayed reply is not exile, a missed message is not rejection from the tribe, a quiet post is not social abandonment, and yet your brain sometimes responds as if it is. So here's the question. If your brain is wired to fear rejection, can you retrain how it interprets modern social signals? Can you teach it that silence is not danger, that absence is not exclusion, that digital uncertainty is not survival threat? That is where neuroscience becomes even more fascinating, because the brain that learned to fear rejection can also learn to understand it differently.